Welcome to DJM.
My people, greet una, welcome now once again to DJM TV. My people, we get one video we say I play for now. I'm gonna watch, gonna see wetin dey happen for you. From this video, now they see so now Hausa people and Yoruba people. Now this Igbo man just come outside, they share money for them because they need them. If na election now, I know the case, I know the story, another story go dey hear say Igbo person one be this one be that one. Now Hausa people and Yoruba people, now Igbo man come outside. E not discriminate o, e not also you don't be my tribe, you don't be my person. E dey share money for them as. Una watch the many part of the video, they come up and analyze this story. Una watch. Hey, my people, don't be smart. Una dey see something. Hey, Igbo people will always be Igbo people. As they not go beg, they don't go cry come and say hardship they do there or this one they do there. During campaign before election everything. Una see the go wey be say all these tribes so wey be say now they first they come outside come they cry. Then they first come outside come they talk say hardship dey. Then they first they come outside come they talk different things. Una see them. Now they don't see come outside since now they protest all the bad say hardship, no food, high cost of living. This one na Igbo man now when he come outside on his own. He not say you not be my tribe, you know they speak Igbo, you not be Igbo, you not be from East. He not look that one, he carry money come and they give it because they need that. You see? This one na lesson where we say we Africans, especially Nigerians, we need to better lesson. No, we need to learn from this because this life not balance. E not balance at all. Una say this Igbo man dey share money. E not say you don't be my brother, you don't be my sister, you not be my tribe. He do this thing as if he's doing it for his own people, and which is supposed to be. Nigeria is supposed to be united, supposed to do things together. When it comes to choosing of leaders, when it comes to doing things for each other, we're supposed to be united. But no, if they want to choose leaders, they will come zone and go one side. They will come they talk say these people they are familiar with this. They go sell us. Different things will come they come outside. Anyway, my people, and the updates will carry off like this. So how una visit this matter? Una need to share this video. Now one thing una will do for us. Una share this video. Make it go around. All those people will be say they get negativity for their head concerning this whole thing. Make they learn. Una share this video. Make it go round. Make all those people will be say they get negativity for their hearts concerning the way forward for Nigeria. Nigeria will take better. Make dem learn. They need to learn. They need to learn now. Make dem for not learn the hard way. Una do well. See you in our next video.
DJ